Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access your music from OneDrive with Xbox Music. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is the same account you use for Xbox services, so make sure you're logging in with the correct email and password to ensure your music syncs properly across both platforms. After you sign in, wait a moment while the login process completes and OneDrive loads your dashboard. This should only take a few seconds, but depending on your internet connection, it might take a bit longer. Once you're in, you'll see your main OneDrive interface, with all your files and folders displayed. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look at the left-hand side of your OneDrive dashboard. You'll see a menu with several options listed vertically. From this menu, click on My Files. This section contains all the folders and files you've stored in your OneDrive account, and is where we'll locate your music. Once you're in the My Files section, scan through the list of folders displayed on your screen. Look specifically for a folder labeled Music. This is the key folder that connects your OneDrive storage directly to your Xbox Music player. The Music folder is specially designed to sync automatically with Xbox Music, which means any audio files you place here will instantly become available in your Xbox Music library without any additional steps. Here's what makes this so convenient. You can simply drag and drop music files into this Music folder, and they'll automatically sync and appear in your Xbox Music library. This means you can upload your favorite songs, albums, or playlists from your computer into this OneDrive Music folder, and they'll be accessible through Xbox Music on your console, PC, or any other device where you use the service. It's a seamless way to keep your music collection organized and accessible across all your Microsoft devices. And that's it. You've now set up access to your music from OneDrive with Xbox Music, giving you the ability to stream your personal music collection anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.